Hi guys, it's Nikita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the fashion tutorial, like going to style too many belts in multiple different ways. So if you want to know how you can style it, then you have to continue watching this tutorial, guys. First styling, like I'm a bit confused, like there are so many belts. How can I turn this belt into a fashion? It's the most simplest thing. Like I'm turning this belt into a tube top. Like I have worn a black tube inside. You definitely need to wear something. First, I have taken a corset belt and have just covered the bust area. And then again, I've taken a belt, another belt, a black one, and just attached on the lower of my bust and one on the above of it. So total, I'm using three different belts to just make a look of a tube top. So guys, this is how you can turn out a belt into a tube top. This is how I have turned out, and you can use any of your belt, whatever you do have in your wardrobe, you can use it in your way. And the second styling, like I have used the above belt and have just put down on my shoulder to give it a one off shoulder look. So it's such a simple look you can create into a more stylish way. And the third styling, I have just taken the below belt and I've just picked it from the inside of my corset belt and just given the shape of my neckline into a U shape, like to give it kind of a alter neck. And definitely you need to attach a safety pin to get a proper hold and a grip. And the fourth styling, like I have taken a belt and that is really very stretchable and used it as a choker on my neck and just had a pin up from the back too. Again, pinning up is really very necessary. Wherever you need a grip, you need to pin up over there. So this is how it looks. It's the most stylish way. I really loved the way it have turned out. So this is one of my favorite look. Definitely you can give it a shot. This is really very nice and very appealing. But if you are carrying, you need to have a lot of confidence to carry a belt, guys. Fifth one, like I'm not going to use any of the belt, but like I was planning to do something with this clutch. No, not with the clutch, definitely with the string. From this clutch string, I have made this into a suspender outfit. Like really, you don't need to buy a new outfit to get the suspender or anything, a different style. You can reuse your old stuff and you can style it into a multiple ways. And the sixth styling, I'm using the same chain, but it has to be equal in both the side. And going to just crisscross and going to attach with the like a pant holder, and this is how it would look, a crisscross styling. And the seventh styling, like I'm going to use a sling bag, but not going to style as normal as we always do. It would be in a diagonal, going to twist the sling and just going to hang it on my shoulder to give that variation and the stylish way. Eighth and the last styling is using this neon belt and styling as a choker or a type of a tie. This is how you can do it, guys. This is such a simple but really looks very elegant. So these are some of the styling which I have shown to you guys. So I hope you found this video helpful and you liked the tutorial. If you found this, please click on the like button, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please hit that bell icon so that you are notified with all of my videos, guys. I really love you so much. So stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.